Hello? No one replying. I'm asking a question.
बर्ड डेवलप होता है प्लांट पे से।
Yes. Okay. Budding is a grafting technique. Okay. Budding is a vegetative method of plant propagation. So, budding is a grafting technique in which a single bud from the desired scion is used rather than an entire scion containing many buds. Most budding is done just before or during the growing season. Some species may be budded during a winter while they are dormant. Okay. नोट्स में डेफिनेशन क्या है? बडिंग इज द vegetative method of plant propagation. It can be defined as a technique wherein only a single bud is used as a scion. What is scion and what is stalk? लेक्चर ज्वाइन ही ओनली 6 स्टूडेंट्स ने किए थे, फिर पता कैसे होगा व्हाट इज बडिंग, व्हाट इज scion, व्हाट इज स्टॉक? The upper part of a combined plant is called the scion, while the lower part is called as a root stock. Means one plant is selected for its root and this is called as the stalk, a root or a root stock. The other plant is selected for its stem, leaves, flower or a fruit and is called as a scion. Okay, हम दो stems को कनेक्ट करते, कंबाइन करते, मीन्स जो जिस पे हम ग्राफ्ट कर रहे हैं वो क्या है? ग्राफ्टेड प्लांट इज अ स्टॉक, और बर्ड जो हम उसको उसमें इंसर्ट करेंगे या स्टेम है या लीफ, इट इज कॉल्ड एज ए सायन. अपर पार्ट ऑफ कंबाइन प्लांट, जो अपर पार्ट होगा जो कंबाइन कर रहे हैं उसको क्या बोलेंगे? सायन. द अपर पार्ट ऑफ अ कंबाइंड प्लांट इज कॉल्ड एज सायन while the lower part is called as a root stock. Okay. समझा भी what is scion and what is stalk?
यस मैम।
क्यों सिर्फ एक ही जॉइन है? So, budding is defined as a technique wherein only a single bud is used as the scion is inserted into a stalk and developed into a plant. Okay, so this is the definition of budding. नेक्स्ट क्या देखे थे हमने? ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ बडिंग और एडवांटेजेस, जिसमें प्रोडक्शन ऑफ क्लोन, ओवरकम प्रोपागेशन प्रॉब्लम, मैनी इन वन, बेनिफिशियल इफेक्ट्स ऑफ रूट स्टॉक, रिपेयरिंग, virus indexing, then change in fruiting periods. These are the points including in the objective of budding. Okay. Then next is the principle of budding. Next, limitation of budding or dicotyledonous plants. Then budding incompatibility. ये सब देखे थे हमने. Symptoms in incompatibility, factors affecting. ये हुआ था क्या? Budding incompatibility. Okay, the next point is a budding incompatibility. Incompatibility means what? Means lack of infertility between two plants. Means most of the related plants is if grafted together unite satisfactorily and function as a one plant are termed as a compatibility. Okay, compatibility means what? Most of the related plants if grafted together, okay, unite satisfactorily and function as a one plant. कैसे function करेंगे? As a one plant are termed as a compatibility. Then unrelated or a distinctly related plants grafted together. Unrelated or a distinctly related plants grafted together. यहाँ पे same नहीं है, distinctly related plants है. Grafted together do not unite and scion portion mostly dies. वो unites नहीं होते, do not unite and the scion portion जो होता है वो mostly die होता है. This phenomenon is known as a incompatibility. Okay, समझा भी what is incompatibility? Reply me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sometimes the union take place and plant grow for a few years and the die to poor union. This is termed as a delayed incompatibility. Then symptoms of incompatibility. What are the symptoms? Graft do not form. Symptoms क्या है उसके? Graft do not form. Short life of the tree. Then poor health of the tree means condition of inability to perform physically. Then overgrowth or a swelling below, above or the graft union. Okay, swelling होंगी, overgrowth of or a swelling below, above or at the graft union. Then factors क्या है उसके? First is the affinity. Scion and stalk plant less affinity affect the healing of graft. Close affinity will induce early healing. It means they should have a close botanical relationship. Next is a cambium contact. Scion and a stalk should have a perfect cambium contact. Perfectly join होने चाहिए ना. Scion and stalk should have a perfect cambium contact. Perfectly cambium stalk और scion का कैसे होना चाहिए? Perfectly contact होना चाहिए. Then sap condition. What is sap? What is sap? SAP. What is sap? Sap is a water fluid of plant. Fluid transported in xylem cell or a phloem. Okay, means sap is the lifeblood of the plants. Sap is the lifeblood of a plant. Sap condition, the sap should be in a active condition in the stalk. Condition कैसी होनी चाहिए sap की? Should be in a active condition in the stalk so as to help in a easy healing of the graft. Okay, next is the stock selection. Selected stock should be handy and suited for a particular soil and a climate. Selected stock should be handy and suited होना चाहिए for a particular soil and climate. Then age of scion chosen neither too young nor too older overgrowth. मीन्स ओल्ड भी नहीं होना चाहिए और यंग भी नहीं होना चाहिए. जो भी हम सायन चूज करेंगे मैच्योर होना चाहिए वो. Then operational time, the time taken for an actual operation should be very sharp. Period of grafting, it can be done in August to September in monsoon season at any time. Means August and September में कभी भी कर सकते हैं. So period of grafting is August to September in monsoon season at any time. Okay, so these are the factors of budding affecting. Next is the method of budding. इसके नोट्स मैं सेंड नहीं की क्या?
नहीं मैम, नोट्स नहीं है.
ओके, आई विल सेंड यू. मैं अभी एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ बट आफ्टर लेक्चर सेंड करूँगी. ओके, इसमें मेथड्स और बडिंग और ग्राफ्टिंग ही है. So vegetative birds are used as a scion. Okay, and the time of budding depend upon the availability of birds, and cell sap flow in the rootstock seedling so that the bark separate easily to take a scion bud. So there are different methods of budding. First is a shield or a T-shape, inverted T-shape, patch, flute budding, ring budding, eye forked budding, cheap budding. 7 methods है उसके budding के. So first is a shield or a T-shape budding. हेडिंग से ही समझ में आता है, मीन्स टी शेप बडिंग होंगी, है ना. तो दिस मेथड इज नोन एज शील्ड बडिंग. शील्ड मीन्स लीफ शेप. लीफ का जैसा शेप होता है ना, एज इट इज लीफ शेप होता है. तो टी शेप बडिंग, दिस मेथड इज नोन एज अ शील्ड बडिंग एज द बर्ड प्रिपेयर हैज द शील्ड शेप or a leaf shape. It is also called as a T-shaped budding as the T-shaped cut is made in a stalk. It is widely used for a propagation fruit trees or a ornamental plants. नोट्स में डायग्राम नहीं है, सारे डायग्राम्स नहीं है, मैं सेंड करूँगी तुमको, वो ड्रॉ करने हैं. ओके, means T-shaped budding or a shield budding is a spatial grafting technique in which the scion piece is reduced to a single bud. The plant being propagated, means represented by the bud, is referred to as a scion. The plant being grafted onto is referred to as a root stalk or a simply stalk. What is the procedure? तो शील्ड और टी शेप का प्रोसीजर क्या है? सिलेक्ट द स्टॉक प्लांट. ओके, स्टॉक सिलेक्ट करना है एंड बर्ड स्टिक. सिलेक्ट द स्टॉक प्लांट एंड अ बर्ड स्टिक ऑन द स्टॉक प्लांट. प्रिपेयर अ टी शेप कट. स्टॉक में क्या करना है? टी शेप कट करना है. Prepare a T-shaped cut by removing a bark is made. If is it internode region and a bud about a 2.5 to 3.75 centimeter in length. T-shape कट करना है कितना? 2.5 to 3.75 centimeter in length on a bird stalk. Give a slicing cut about a 1 centimeter below and to above. Okay, then the bird 2.5 centimeter. Insert the bird between the gaps at a bark on the stalk. Wrap the bird and stalk firmly in such a way that the bird fully exposed. Okay, so this is the procedure. Means in this method the scion is removed from the shoot in the shape of the bird. Okay, tea budding में procedure क्या है? The scion is removed from the shoot in the shape of the bird. The bird may or may not have a small portion of xylem wood. A T-shaped cut is given in the root stock just as deep as the bark. Then bird is inserted under the bark in this T-shaped exposed xylem and tied with a polyethylene strip. The portion of the active bud is left under cover for a sprouting. This is most important method. Okay, important method of budding. Example क्या है उसकी? Citrus, peach and roses. I think इसमें example नहीं है. शील्ड और टी शेप की एग्जाम्पल वहां पे लिख के रखो. Citrus, peach and roses are the example of T-shaped budding. Okay, समझा सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
बाकी सबको नहीं समझा, सिर्फ बुशरा को समझ में आया थी. प्रोसीजर समझ में आया सबको? शील्ड और टी शेप का. व्हाट इज टी शेप्ड बडिंग? Means in this method a fully mature bud from a growing plant is detached in a shape of a shield. Okay, a T-shaped cut is made on the stem of the stock root plant, which is same in length as the detached bud. Okay, then peel the bark away from the T cut, which will form a triangular pocket on the stem. बर्ड को क्या करना है? इंसर्ट करना है स्टॉक में, टी शेप स्टॉक में, कट में. ओके, यही सिंपल प्रोसीजर है शील्ड और टी शेप का. अभी समझा? नेक्स्ट एक्सप्लेन करूं इन्वर्टेड टी शेप. नेक्स्ट इज अ इन्वर्टेड टी शेप. Inverted T shape same है as it is shield or a T shape के. Means the only difference is that the invert T cut is given on the root stock seedling and scion bud is inserted from a below upward. Scion insert किस में करें? Scion bud is inserted from below upward. Difference क्या है inverted T budding में? सायन बर्ड इंसर्ट कहाँ से करते हैं? फ्रॉम अ बिलो अपवर्ड. बाकी सब पूरा प्रोसीजर सेम एज इट इज है शील्ड और टी शेप का. ओके, it is adopted with a great deal of rain occurs. Inverted T-shape budding is adopted with great deal of rain occur, means modify with a great deal of rain occur. Next point is water running down the stem of a rootstock often soak under a bud in case of a T method. It causes decay of a shield piece of a bud under a such condition. Inverted T budding may give better result since bud is more likely to the below the bark to run away the water. Okay, so this is the inverted T-shape budding. डिफरेंस सिर्फ यही है उसमें कि सायन बर्ड इज इंसर्टेड फ्रॉम बिलो अपवर्ड और ऑकर रेनी सीजन में ही होता है. दिस अडॉप्टेड विद अ ग्रेट डील ऑफ rain occurs. Next is a patch budding. So patch budding, in this method, rectangular patch of a bark is completely removed from a stock plant. पैच बर्डिंग का मेथड क्या है? रेक्टेंगुलर पैच ऑफ अ बार्क इज कंप्लीटली रिमूव फ्रॉम द स्टॉक. रिमूव करना है स्टॉक से, स्टॉक प्लांट, एंड रिप्लेस विद अ पैच ऑफ अ सेम साइज कंटेनिंग अ बर्ड. स्टॉक एंड बर्ड दोनों की साइज कैसी होंगी? सेम साइज पे कट करना है. और rectangular patch of a bark is completely removed from the stock plant and replace क्या करना है? वहाँ पे सेम साइज का बर्ड रिप्लेस करेंगे. ओके. For this method, the bark of a stalk and the bird of a stick should preferably be the same, means 1 to 2.5 centimeter. Means a rectangular patch of a bark is removed completely from a rootstock seedling of sufficient thickness at a height of 20 centimeter. A similar size shaped patch bird is taken from the scion and placed over to stalk and tie. Okay, it is a little time consuming. टाइम बहुत कम लगता है इसके लिए. It is a little time consuming to perform. However, patch budding is very successful to bird in. Example क्या है उसकी? Rubber. Patch budding example is a rubber. So patch budding is a third method of budding. Next is a flute budding. Flute budding is a fourth type. Patch budding समझा सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So flute budding, this is a modification of patch budding. पैच बडिंग में हमने क्या देखे? दोनों भी स्टॉक एंड बर्ड दोनों की साइज कैसी है? सेम है. और स्टॉक को निकाल के हम क्या कर रहे हैं? वहाँ पे बर्ड इंसर्ट कर रहे हैं. तो मॉडिफिकेशन ऑफ पैच बडिंग क्या है? फ्लूट बडिंग. इन दिस मेथड द बार्क रिमूव फ्रॉम द स्टॉक. Bark removed from the stalk almost completely and circle it, leaving only a narrow connection at above 1/8 of its circumference. It is replaced with a completely flute of the same size containing bud from bird stick. Means in flute budding, a cylinder of a bark is removed. Cylinder of a bark is removed from the stalk and a piece of twig is similar size is removed. The cylinder of bark is fitted into a place and made airtight. So this is a flute budding. जब डायग्राम देखेंगे ना तो समझ में आएगा डायग्राम से. Next is a ring budding. In this method, a completely ring of a bark from the stalk and a complete ring with a bird from the bird stick are removed. यहाँ पे ring remove की जा रही है. Means in this method, a complete ring of a bark from the stalk and a complete ring of with a bird from the bird stick are removed in order for the true to match the size of the stalk and that of the bird stick should be about the same. दोनों भी कैसे होने चाहिए? सेम होने चाहिए. बर्ड और अ स्टॉक means the root stalk is headed back just as a grafting at a height of 15 to 20 centimeter. A ring of a bark is removed. यहाँ पे ring remove करते हैं. Ring of a bark is removed from the top of the beheaded rootstock seedling. A similar ring along with the bud is taken from the scion and inserted on the stalk. Okay. This is commonly done in mulberry. और एग्जाम्पल क्या है यहाँ पे? Commonly done in peach, mulberry, cherry. Okay, these are the example. Next is a eye-forked budding. In this method, eye-shaped forked bud is obtained with a bark from a bud stick. Similar structure, eye bark is cut on a stalk at an internodal region. Bud is placed in a cut region and tied firmly, exposing the bud. So this is the method of eye-forked budding. Means it is just like a patch budding. eye-forked भी similar किससे? Patch budding से. So it is just like a patch budding, but patch budding is not totally removed from stalk. Patch budding में हम क्या करते हैं? Totally remove नहीं करते. It is left attached from one side while placing a bud on the patch. The bark patch is again placed on the bud key, removing a little portion in flip to sprouting of bud. Sprout means what? Sprout is a new growth of plant. Bud क्या होता है? Bud is a newly formed leaf or a flower, है ना? But sprout is a newly growth of plant, whether from seed or other part. And last is the cheap budding. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में एक्सप्लेन करूँ चीप बडिंग या भी कंप्लीट करूँ? बिकॉज टाइम इज अप. ओके, नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ, फिर डायग्राम्स भी देखेंगे हम लोग. ओके, चलेगा ना?
हाँ मैम.
हाँ चलेगा.